Hey, this is Vinyl Keith coming at you with another video. Today I'm going to do an unboxing, unwrapping of a new album I got yesterday. And it's the newest album from the Black Crowes, A Pound of Feathers. This is a band I really like. I've got probably 8 or 9 of their records. I'm only missing 2. But yeah. Every time they put out a new album, it's a good day. So, I noticed, though, no hype sticker. Isn't that odd nowadays? And none of the copies at everybody's records had a hype sticker. So, I didn't just get an odd one. So, let me know out there if anybody got one with a hype sticker. I don't know. It just seems odd nowadays. A brand new record with no hype sticker. That's odd. But anyway, very excited to get this. Let's check this out. Yeah, I always love the Black Crowes stuff. And there you go. Wrapping's off. Looks like 11 tracks. There's the track list. It's weird how they purposely left a mistake on there. I guess they did that on purpose. Pretty cool. And it's a gatefold. Always a good thing. Check that out. There's the Robinson brothers, the leaders of the band. Guitar player Rich Robinson here. Vocalist Chris Robinson. Pretty sweet. Let's see what the record looks like. And there's the... Oh, wow. That's weird. Credits and all that. Just regular black vinyl, which is fine by me. And there you have it. The new Black Crowes. I can't wait to hear this. I could have been listening to, since it came out yesterday, I could have been listening to it on YouTube, but I decided not to because I want to be surprised. I haven't heard one thing off this record, so I want to be surprised and hear it the way it's meant to be heard on vinyl. All right, the Black Crowes, Pound of Feathers. Get your copy. Until next time.